Growing a YouTube channel today feels harder than ever. Thousands of creators upload content every single day, and standing out can feel almost impossible. But there's one simple content style that many creators are quietly using to attract massive attention. I'm talking about stick figure animation videos. Many channels built around this style are gaining millions of views, and some of them are even earning thousands of dollars every month. The surprising part is how simple these videos are to produce. Even better, this style works in almost any niche. Whether your channel is about motivation, finance, education, or self-improvement, stick figure animations can help deliver your message in a simple and engaging way. In this video, I'm going to show you the entire process step by step so you can start creating your own stick figure animation videos from scratch. Let's get started. The first step in creating any video is preparing the script. If you don't want to spend hours thinking about ideas, you can use tools like ChatGPT to generate a quick starting point. Simply open the tool and write a prompt such as, "Write a short motivational script about self-improvement." You can adjust the prompt depending on your topic. For example, you could ask for a script about productivity, discipline, financial growth, or personal development. Within seconds, the tool will generate a script that you can review and edit to match your style. Once you're satisfied with the text, the next step is turning that script into a voiceover. To convert your script into speech, you can use a tool like 11 Labs. This platform allows you to generate realistic AI voiceovers from written text. After opening the tool, simply paste your script into the text box. Next, browse through the available voice options. Each voice has a different tone and personality, so take a moment to listen and choose the one that best fits your video style. For motivational content, a confident and energetic voice usually works well. Once you've selected the voice, click Generate, and the platform will create a complete voiceover in just a few seconds. After the audio is generated, download the file. Now you have the two main elements needed to start building your video: the script and the voiceover. Now it's time to create the visuals. For this step, you can use Canva, which is one of the easiest tools available for creating simple animated videos. Start by opening Canva and creating a new project using the standard video format. Once the editor opens, upload the voiceover file you downloaded earlier. Drag the audio file onto the timeline. This will act as the base of your project and help you synchronize all visuals with the narration. Next, choose a background for your video. Many stick figure channels prefer simple backgrounds because they keep the viewer focused on the message. You can search for things like paper texture, minimal backgrounds, or soft colors that look clean and easy on the eyes. Once you select a background, extend it across the entire timeline so it matches the length of your voiceover. Now comes the part that makes the video interesting. Open the Elements section in Canva and search for stick figure graphics. You'll see a variety of options showing characters in different poses and actions. Play a short section of your voiceover and listen carefully to what is being said. Based on the message in that line, choose a stick figure that visually represents the idea. For example, if the narration talks about progress or improvement, you might select a character walking forward, climbing, or celebrating a small success. To keep the video looking consistent, try to use stick figures from the same creator or design style. This helps the animation look clean and unified instead of random. Once you find the right figure, place it on the screen and adjust the size and position so it fits naturally in the scene. To make the visuals more engaging, you can highlight important words from the narration. Add a text box and type a key word that matches the idea being spoken. Choose a bold and easy-to-read font so the message stands out clearly. You can also use color to emphasize certain words. For example, one word can stay black while another key word is highlighted in red or another bright color. This simple technique makes the visuals more dynamic and helps viewers focus on the main message. As you continue building your video, play the voiceover line by line. Whenever a new idea appears in the narration, split the timeline and add a new stick figure or text element that represents that idea. You can also adjust the timing of the text so that certain words appear exactly when they are spoken. This creates a smoother and more professional viewing experience. Repeat this process until you have covered the entire script. Once your visuals are complete, you can enhance the video by adding background music. Inside Canva, open the Audio section and search for music that matches the mood of your video. For motivational content, keywords like inspirational, uplifting, or motivational usually work well. Listen to a few tracks and choose one that feels natural with your narration. Make sure to lower the volume so the background music supports the narration instead of overpowering it. If you want more options, you can also download copyright-free music from websites like Pixabay and upload it into Canva. Here's an example of how a finished motivational voiceover might sound when combined with stick figure visuals.
Every great transformation begins in silence. With a single step, no one notices. Not the big wins, not the overnight success, but the small, daily actions, the ones you repeat when no one is watching.
And that's it. By combining a simple script, a clear voiceover, and stick figure visuals, you can create engaging videos that are easy to produce and scalable across many different niches.